Mackerel get a full makeover using Spice products. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So people want to know, ever since Mackerel came on the scene since like February of 2019, she always get a makeover or a new wig or some kind of new style, you know what I mean? Whether she get sponsored or she could do it herself or she got one show like the time when she did a travel go Canada and thing, or when she got Canada then give her a new hairstyle and thing. But however, you know, she always pose and people always have some kind of critique about it. You have the good, the bad, the indifferent. Not to mention the last time she posted on her birthday, which was like a couple weeks ago, mixed with the controversial video of she and the man. I did a video on that also. You can check it out if you don't know what go on. Right? People did a beat her bad. Then you have the internet trolls, them will go as far as take a picture of a cockroach and put side a Mackerel birthday picture, which wasn't nice. That's not nice to do to anybody at all. You see me, I say, I never really like that.
Why you doing drunk? Why you doing?
So this time around though, Mackerel get a makeover and people may not lie. You see what I said, that one you're out of the ballpark. She look good, you know what I mean? The people them where do it for her, they seems real professional and she look at her best. You see what I say? So I'm going to show her photo right now. We'll just take a quick look at it. Alright, well professional and well done. So yes people, she made this post on her Instagram. So she posts the two photos in one post. You know, it's a slide over. Like I said, it was two photos. I had a friend put them together for me. So big her up on that. You see me? But people want to think she look good or what? To me, she look good. She look really good. I know most people agree, and the reason why I say that because there were some comments. However, Mackerel just posted and she had a simple caption to this. You see what I say? You know them little savage caption. One of them that she put on it, right? And she just simply say, "I'll give a mother father something to say about me whenever I please." You know Mackerel full of chat already. You see what I say? For one thing she have, we are going for her, and the whole heap of chat them will come at her mouth. You see what I say? Mackerel always say something. In the last video, Mackerel say, if she not qualify for get them lovely mentoring treatment there. I never hear that in my life. You see me? That bad. So big up Mackerel upon that. But people, you know what I mean? This now, I'm going to show you the product that was used on Mackerel. You know what I mean? It was Spice product. And the reason why I said that is because she also posts a little snippet of her with Spice piano palette. You see me? Now, if you don't know about Spice makeup, Spice have a makeup line where she do through our company, Faces and Laces, and she have the piano palette, and it's pretty unique because it's named after all our song and things. So I have a little clippings with Spice. I explain our little palette. You see what I say? So watch this.
I'm in a romantic mood. I'm talking to my baby and acting rude. Guess what? The man rub me like a genie. I'm not just singing the songs. That's the colors I'm wearing from the piano palette. Yes. Faces and Laces piano palette. The colors I'm wearing is called Romantic Mood and Genie. So you don't know the tingle. Make sure you grab yours. Faces and Laces, the piano palette, yeah, grab yours.
Yeah man, big up the queen, you see me I say. And fun fact people, if you ever buy any Spice makeup product or anything else that she sell, and you post it and tag her, she will put it on her story or repost it on her page. Just like how Mackerel use her product and she just put Mackerel on her story. You see me? So big up Spice on that. You see me? Alright, but let's get back to some of the comments them now where people left on Mackerel picture. You see me? Some good, some bad, and you have the indifferent also. You see me? So let's check out some of them. So on this first comment, somebody comment and say, "Where was this makeup artist on your birthday?" Remember me did that talk about birthday pic, me I say, "Oh, them beat her bad," so I hit that them bring up right now. And somebody comment on that and say, "True to PC." Right? And then underneath that now, somebody come on a different Mackerel and somebody said, "This relevant? No sir, black people, everything effed up. Have to fix ourselves before we can talk about anything." Right? So, like, if you understand, the Mackerel have our fans, them. Mackerel have people who just like her. You see me? So, if you go up on Mackerel page and say something, somebody are going to attack you most likely. You see me? Then underneath that now, somebody say, "Keep this makeup artist goodie. you look good, right? Not too wrong with that. That's okay. You see me? And then underneath that now somebody comment and say your best pick, you know, and I laugh with some fire emoji. So we see it, right? We see people at different mackerel, we see people that try to like style the thing said way, and we see people just make fun of it. You see me? Now I have some more comments, so we are gonna take a look at some more comments. Alright, so let us see some more. So right away, I see three, I'm a good family member them from my page, you know what I mean? I call them a follower, them, I'm a team member, I'm a family member, you see me? So the first one is Carissa, and Carissa say, goody, and she just put some art, you see me? Even Dancing Rebel come through and just left some art, and then Delia, big up Delia, you see me, and say, she come and say, Mackerel come right out looking fabulous. You see me? So my people, them are just positivity, them push. You see me? And that I vibe from. For me page, say, if you want some positivity, forward over my Instagram page. Then, you know what I mean, Abby put some art and also Reds now. So big up Reds, you see me? Reds up on my page and she say, you're so beautiful, dripping with melanin, queen. So big up Reds for that positive comment. You see me? Then Check Boss, you don't know Check Boss. Going at it, daddy. You see me? Him come through and just drop two emoji. And Tough Crackers the dancer, she put some art eyes on it. You see me? So that's a good look. You see me? So most people are support Mackerel overall. Most people are leave positive and good things on our page, but you know what I mean, you still have the negative, like me say, and then you still have some people who just a laugh and a go on. But you know what I mean, the internet, this and Mackerel really can control that as long as our page is public. She can really stop them, you know what I mean? She can delete the comments them if she want or whatever. But we know say at that help build Mackerel. You know what I mean? Some of the we're going at it, I that make people know her more and more. So she always a go capitalize on that. Because a long time people are saying Mackerel 5 minutes of fame over 15 minutes, however them say it. You see me, but Mackerel is still here. And even people where after Mackerel or get the spotlight after Mackerel, you see what I say? Them gone. And we don't know. You know what I mean? Like right now, Ghetto Jackson just come on the scene.
Hello, good afternoon. We're here with Jackson again. Hello, Jackson. What's up?
Hello, Jamaica.
Oh my
This is
God.
Michael Jackson.
Yes, tell him. Yes, this is a Ghetto Jackson. People, get used to him. He's the new face of Jamaica.
Go, Michael!
Okay.
You know, really, I don't know what to say. I go on, but we don't know what I go on for Ghetto Jackson. So I just mention Ghetto Jackson because, you know what I mean, Mackerel bust from the internet thing too. So we just see, like, Mackerel is the poster child for viral videos. And if you don't disagree with me, tell me in the comment section. I may explain what I mean by poster child. What I mean is, out of all the people them were bust from viral video, apart from Border Cat, you know what I mean, which theme thing is kind of different. We don't really put Border Cat in the same category with like Mackerel them and Candy Wow them and even 30 Grand Rosie and them kind of people. You see me? Them people are Mackerel in the same kind of settings. But watch you now, Mackerel are the only one who got so much place, you know what I mean? Mackerel de on Antigua, de on TV, Mackerel got Canada, Mackerel got England, you see me? She get the most out of it, she capitalized the most out of it. You see what I say? So that's what I mean by saying that Mackerel is the poster child. And if other people who make it off of them kind of video will go viral and then them become this internet sensation, can really take a page out of our book and look, you know what I mean, do for them things. So I mean right now the thing kind of low for Mackerel, like she not as hot as one time. And this is no disrespect. Me just say, you know what I mean, one time gone Mackerel, they all over the internet. But nowadays, I just them one and few in between things that we see about her. You see me? But she's still young and she still have her whole life ahead. You know what I mean? Where she can maybe find a way to make herself stay relevant and stay up on a level. You see me? And not to mention Mackerel even do songs. Mackerel even have successful song. Remember that, you know, the song where Mackerel sing, a big song, I play all about. You see me? So that's what I mean by poster child people. And if you don't agree with me, you tell me. If you don't disagree with me, let's have a conversation in the comment section about it also. So if it's your first time on this page and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for daily updates. And also I make other videos, like I did one with the top 5 one-hit wonders of dancehall in the last decade. Those videos are more research, you know what I mean, and not opinionated like these are, you know what I mean, just things from the net. Those other videos, I go and I do research and have a lot more depth to offer. You see me, I say. So if you're interested in that content, you know what I mean, that is also on the channel too. So you can check that out. And other than that, you know what I mean, thank you for the love and the support for all of my long-time subscribers. And if you just subscribe to the channel, welcome and thank you. Hope you will stay around with us. Other than that, thank you for watching.